Hey, I'm Kjell in Denmark. I'll show you my chalk stop. I finished it today. It looks a little like an AK-47, I think. And it works well. I did my pipe key arrangement, but oh what a mess. I braced it together. I started up with some pretty nice things and ended up with things that looks like shit. How do you clean it? Maybe I should finish my sandblaster and then give it a good whack in there. Oh, it's hard with only one hand. So, and then mount it in the chuck. And I can't do it with only one hand. But you loosen the counter nut with this handle and then adjust the stop with this handle. I can't do it. But it works. We have to pop it out. Yeah. Now I'll put it there, and I don't believe I'll ever use it. But that's how it is with hobby. But outside Skewball gave me the idea. And thanks. Hope you enjoyed it. Hi.